Welcome back to Echo English Vibes, the place where you train your brain to speak English confidently in real-life conversations today. Have you ever understood every single English word but suddenly gone completely blank the moment someone actually speaks to you directly? Most learners freeze because their brain is busy translating and checking grammar instead of focusing on the flow of the conversation. Real fluency is not about knowing more complex English words. It is simply about using what you already know immediately today. You must stop trying to think like a struggling student and start reacting like a natural speaker in every single interaction. If this idea changes how you see English, hit like and comment react. Don't translate to remind yourself every single day. Now that you understand the core reason why you freeze, let us discover the first technique that keeps your conversations alive. You do not need perfect complex sentences to be understood. You only need a small and clear first response to start. Use simple rescue phrases like, "let me think," or "give me a second" when you feel stuck during a fast conversation. Then answer in layers by giving a short response, followed by one simple reason, and finally providing just one clear example. This simple structure removes the heavy pressure and keeps the conversation moving forward naturally, without any awkward or long silent gaps. Remember that perfect English which never leaves your mouth is useless, while simple English that keeps moving becomes truly fluent English. Pause the video right now and practice one rescue phrase out loud, because your speaking starts the moment your mouth moves. Once you have learned to keep conversations alive, the next step is building a speaking system your brain can fully trust. Fluent speakers do not create every single sentence from zero. They rely on ready-to-use language chunks for speed today. Create your own reaction bank with 4 categories, including time-buying phrases, understanding phrases, simple response phrases, and also repair phrases too. These phrases buy you time, reduce your panic, and make speaking feel natural instead of feeling like a stressful performance task. Choose just 5 useful phrases from today's lesson and use them several times before you finish your day to see results. Knowing the phrases is not enough, as the real transformation happens when you build daily speaking habits that last for years. Watching English videos is not enough, because your brain learns input, but your mouth must learn output through consistent daily practice. Create a simple daily routine like a 1-minute report, answering 3 quick questions, or recording a 30-second voice message every day. Small daily practice beats long and inconsistent study sessions every time you commit to improving your speaking skills in the future. Confidence is not something you wait for. It is something you build through repetition and consistent action over a long period. Starting today, commit to 10 minutes of speaking practice every day, and tell us in the comments day 1 starts today. Finally, let us put everything together into one mindset that will completely change your English journey starting from this very moment. Fluent speakers still make mistakes. The difference is that they do not stop when they get stuck during a real conversation. When you get stuck, simply buy time, repair your sentence, and continue speaking instead of letting the silence grow too long. Do not apologize for every grammar mistake. Communicate first and improve later. Because every spoken sentence trains your confidence right now. Every moment of silence strengthens your fear, but every spoken sentence trains your confidence and makes you a better English speaker. Remember that fluency is not never getting stuck. Fluency is knowing exactly what to do when you get stuck while talking. Within the next 24 hours, challenge yourself to answer 3 simple English questions out loud and record your own voice now. Small action taken today creates big confidence tomorrow, so do not wait for the perfect moment to start your speaking practice. If today's lesson helped you see English in a completely new way, do not stop here. Keep learning and growing daily. Subscribe to Echo English Vibes and turn on notifications, because every lesson is designed to help you react faster and naturally. You will learn to speak naturally and build real confidence in everyday English conversations by following these steps every single day. Remember that you should not wait until you feel confident to speak, because you must speak first, and confidence will follow. Keep your English moving every single day. See you in the next lesson, and stay consistent with your practice until then. Realize that your potential is limitless once you stop overthinking and start embracing the natural flow of every single spoken word. The path to fluency is paved with small steps, so celebrate every tiny victory you achieve during your daily speaking routine. Record your phrases in a notebook to keep them organized, and review them whenever you have a free moment during travel. Focus on your mouth muscles and how they move, because training your physical ability to produce sounds is essential for fluency. English is a tool meant to bridge distances, so use it to connect with new people and share your unique ideas. Each time you apply these simple tips, you are one step closer to becoming the fluent speaker you have always wanted. Let go of the fear of being judged, because most people are just happy to communicate with you in any language. You are capable of mastering this language. So keep pushing forward and believe in your ability to improve every single day. Joining a community of learners can provide the support you need to keep going even when the journey feels quite difficult. Every morning is a new opportunity to use your English, so make it a habit to speak from the very beginning. Turn your travel time into a learning session by listening to natural conversations and repeating what you hear out loud now. Practice speaking in front of an imaginary audience to build your confidence and refine your message for real-world situations today. Writing down your daily thoughts in English will help you think in the language and express your feelings more naturally too. Enjoy the process of learning and do not take mistakes too seriously, as they are just part of your growth path. Track your progress and celebrate your milestones, because you deserve to be proud of the effort you put into your learning. Teaching others what you have learned is the best way to master the language and gain deeper understanding of the concepts. Imagine the places you will visit and the people you will meet once you gain the confidence to speak English fluently. Look back at where you started and appreciate how far you have come, as consistency is the key to your success. Build your skills one block at a time, and do not worry about the height of the tower just yet. Keep going. Find a quiet space where you can practice without distractions and focus solely on your speaking goals for the day ahead. Use technology to connect with people from around the world and practice your English in real time with various native speakers. Make your learning fun by incorporating games and quizzes into your routine, which will keep you motivated to continue every day. English is the key that unlocks many doors in your personal and professional life, so invest your time in it wisely. End your day by reflecting on what you learned and feeling good about the effort you invested in your language skills. Open your mind to the possibilities that come with fluency, and never stop dreaming about the future you are creating today. You have the power to achieve your goals, so keep climbing and never lose sight of the progress you are making daily. Your voice is important and worth sharing, so keep practicing until you feel comfortable expressing yourself in any situation you face. Be proud of your dedication and the time you have spent improving yourself, as it will surely pay off in future. Surround yourself with people who encourage you and support your goals, as they will help you stay on track and motivated. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Subscribe to Echo English Vibes and have a wonderful day ahead today.